Homeowners, Brian Adams here with Only Wood Floors. In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure up and get the square footage of your own house. Come on in. So, let's see. So you want to get the square footage because maybe you're going to buy your own wood from Home Depot or Lowe's. So you need to know your square footage, but you really need to know it just to know it. Most 99% of hardwood floor contractors are going to charge you by the square foot. I showed up at a house one time, measured it up, told the lady, okay, you have 730 square feet, maybe a little bit more. Here's what we charge. And she was like, oh my God, the other guy said it was like 900 square feet. So I had to remeasure everything thinking I missed a room or something. I didn't. Maybe he was overcharging, maybe he measured one room twice. So you need to know just for yourself. Very simple. Grab your tape measure. We're gonna go length times width. So here we got, this is 6 foot, this is 6 foot and 3 inches. When it's 6 foot and 3 inches, I've rounded down to just 6 foot. And then we've got 5. So 6 foot long by 5 foot wide gives you 30 square feet. You're going to do that in all the areas of your room, length times width, and that will give you the square footage. If you are buying product from Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever it is, remember you're going to want to add on at least 10% for waste and then a little bit more. There's no problem having a couple of boxes left over for repairs later on. Check below, you'll see our prices for installation and refinishing. Hope this helps.